guys. Higashi Station. This is how they promote the beer. Cool, eh? How are you feeling today?
Better.
Here we are, man. Wow. It's so cool. This is the Nakamidori Street. So Andrew, we're gonna walk to the temple because this is the hot spot. This is gonna get crazy at 9 o'clock. All these stalls. Heading to that temple now. Sensō-ji Temple. Look at this place, Andre. That's nice. Look at that, it's Tokyo Sky Tree. Come look at the Tokyo Sky Tree. Oh. I know, it smells like a temple here. Here we are, Sensō-ji Temple. Right there. Let's check it out. Me and Andrew, we just put prayers and incense in here. Look at these guys. Blah, 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 blah. We just got these red beans, 10 for 6. $6. Open it, open it.
Okay, now look in the bag.
Look, these little things with red bean.
Oh, they're so good.
And they're so soft. Open
Here,
it.
I'll open it for you guys.
Look at this. This one's, here.
Come on, just let it go, man. And then come here.
I'm just giving you this. Look at that. Red bean. Oh, it's soft.
Here, eat
It's
this.
so good. You don't want the other one?
It's too sweet for me right now. But it's very good.
Oishi, oishi. What do you want to get? Yeah, and then scan your Suica card. And then boom. Pick up your water. Just like that, we have water. This place is so cool, man. Look, it's already starting, the traffic. Here we are, man, heading towards Sumida Park. If we're not already here, it's over there. Some sakuras. Bridge, walking over the sky tree. Check it out. This is so cool, man. Here we are at some park to relax a bit before we head to, maybe we'll check out Tokyo Skytree, maybe we won't, but we're definitely here for some sakuras. Look at the sakuras. Oh, yabba, yabba. Look at this park, man. Dope park. Here we are at the waterfront. There's lots and lots and lots of sakura trees as they go from blooming from pink to white and eventually wither off and start growing green again. Magnificent. Look at the gorgeous trees, the structures. Here we are again, Sumida Park. This is fucking amazing. Look at the sakuras. I'm gonna go see all the sakuras. Look at all these bikes. People been coming. Here we are, man, Sumida Park. Walkway. Very quiet, very nice day here, Tokyo. Busiest city in the world. It's not even 9 a.m. yet, and life is starting to pick up here real quick. Smoking room. Smoking section. Pretty cool. Look at this box car. This is so dope. We have the same street 2 hours later. Thank God we came early, because we don't have to. Look at that. That's madness. That is crazy. Went to this yuzu honey, and Andrea bought some yuzu salt. It's just a salt, but it's made with the yeah. It's a nice treasure for home souvenir. Let's keep walking amongst the madness here. Hey, tourists. More tourists. Look at this area. We were here 3 hours ago and it was dead. Now it's starting to get super lit. Oh, Haven, man. And Jay, we're going this way. Actually, we're gonna cross here. Let's cross. Look at this little truck. People have umbrellas for the sun. I don't want no sun. I want an umbrella. Yo, Herman, Sean, look what I found. Panas, Indian Spice Restaurant and Bar. Lunch set, $6.80. $7. Are we gonna eat here? Hell no. Just wanna pay my respects. Bread, go. We're gonna try this pelican bread right now.
Oh my god. The bread is so different.
It's hard.
It's not hard. It's just like
Take a bite. How is it? That is some good ass bread.
so good.
Can you imagine in the
Oh
morning?
my god, I love this bread.
Yeah. Torito yo. I'm gonna try some of this $2.50 fried chicken. Nice lady here. So $2.50. Yeah. Konnichiwa. One, just one. Let's see. Oh, it's not even a drumstick. It's just a piece of chicken.
Yeah,
How do you like it?
it's good.
It's really good flavor. Cool. Bro, look at this, man. So cool. Can I say? Look at this. Onigiri, stuff, drinks. This is the corner store, bro. 7-Eleven. Look at this fried chicken. They got fried chicken here. For $2. Fried chicken. $1.80. And they have like 5 staff here working, cleaning the shelves. That's the Yanagi Bridge, the green one. We're going to the green one. But look at this. Here we are, Yanagi Bridge. On the bridge, hanging out. This is the bridge right here. It's a well-known bridge in Japan, apparently. And, here we are. That's it. Like a Pokemon. I found the area, and we're moving along now. Let's head. You want to cross the bridge quickly and come back, or no?
Sure.
Okay. Alright, heading into the station. Going to Ginza now. This is the train right now, rush hour. It's madness. Stuff. Sardines. Stuff like sardines. Alright, Andrea just took that bus back to the hotel. And Sean, you know what time it is, right? I got that appointment. Anyways, here we go. Here it is, guys. Here it is. So I just open it like this?
Yeah, sure.
Definitely a sakura. Yeah, that's beautiful.
So beautiful. Then, especially